Hey guys, in this video I sit down with Sasha Wiss, who is the president of PMI Switzerland. He comes with 20 years of project and program management experience and is both PGMP and MSP certified. In this video I ask him if PMP certification is mandatory to be eligible for PGMP.
Okay, my next question is about PMP and PGMP. Is there a relation between the two? If you have PMP, you can, have less hours of experience and still go ahead and do PGMP. Or is PMP mandatory to be eligible for PGMP?
It is not mandatory, to be clear.
Okay.
So you can just do the PGMP without ever having done the PMP. But I would not recommend that, because still, as a program manager, you need to understand project management. And there's a lot of things which are mentioned just as a detail in the program management standard. But you need to have a very clear understanding to be able to pass the exam on the PGMP. And I mean, generally, when you're a program manager, that you understand by heart how to manage a project, that's just, the basis.
Basics.
So people always ask me with many PMI certifications, should I do this or the PMP? And I always say, it's not or. From my point of view, when you enter the realm of project, program, portfolio management, whatever, the basis is the PMP. And when you have that, then you go on to stand out of the masses, because the issue with the PMP is at the moment 950,000 people have the PMP.
Wow.
So like everybody in project management has a PMP, so you're not sticking out. It's just like, it's a prerequisite that HR even looks at your CV. But then to actually, to level up and to stick out, you need to do something in addition, which might then be a PMI ACP for Agile or PGMP for program management and so on, to show that you know something more.
Wow. So, excellent answer there. I was actually trying to understand if PMP is mandatory. So if somebody is watching this video, your suggestion would be that although PMP is not mandatory, you would highly recommend that they do PMP and then approach PGMP.
Yes, absolutely.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video we did with Sasha and got value out of it. Smash that like button if you did and let us know. Also, do you have any other questions related to PGMP or MSP? Check out both the playlists in the description below and you'll have your answers. But if you still have questions, drop them in the comments and we'll try to reach out to Sasha again. Thank you.